Hey y'all, so this is part 2 to that makeup tutorial that I did the other day for the family approved holiday / Thanksgiving makeup look. But today we are turning it up a notch and turning it into a gorgeous smoky eye for those Friendsgivings that are coming up, or even Christmas party with friends, or even a date night with your boo thing. So we're doing the exact same look, this shade for the upper crease, this shade for the inner crease, and of course this shade for the lid. But that's not all. We are taking 2 more shadows to turn this look into a beautiful smoky eye. So obviously you can go over wearing this look for your family and then come home and take these 2 shadows to upgrade it. So first and foremost, you want to go in with that brown shade in the outer V and just darken it as much as you want. You could do a really dark smoky eye, or you could do a medium smoky eye like I did. And then you're going to take that gold shimmery shade in the inner tear duct and the mid part of your lid. So we're using the same palette and everything, just adding 2 more shadows. And of course, my look is also going to include liquid eyeliner as well as that dark plum and berry blush. And lastly, for the highlight, I am using Makeup Revolution's, I don't know the name of it at the top of my head, but it's a very gorgeous golden shimmery highlight, and I think it captures your certain parts of your face where the sun hits. The glow in your pictures will just stand out so much. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this look, and I hope y'all try these looks for future holidays or even this holiday season. And if you do, tag me on Instagram at Micah&Shawna093 so I can see them, and I'll see you all in another video. Bye. Also, before I go, I forgot to mention this. If you want to see the lip tutorial that I did for this look as well, because we did a deeper, darker lip look to complement the eyes, stay tuned for that, and a lip combo tutorial is coming very soon.